Okay, making sure we're back. Okay, we're back. Okay, so I ended up going to get a paper towel. You know, if you don't have the patch or whatever, just, you know, improvise, adapt, and overcome. So now we're going to take this Hops bore cleaner traditional. I used it for my shotgun, first time I ever found out about it. I'll clean my shotgun one day and I'll put a video out. But now what you're going to do is just, you're going to get a little bit, not a ton, but like a decent amount to where, you know, the whole thing is wet other than the middle part, because you don't want the middle part wet because it'll break off in your barrel and, you know, be like, oh shit, oh no, you know, what am I going to do now? But what you're going to do, you know, is you're not going to hold this over the mat because there's so much fucking oil. You're going to do this. You're going to put this right here. You're going to get it in, and you're just going to go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth and back. Now that that is oiled up and that's good, you're going to take this off and you're going to wipe down the blue part that you were working with. So we're just going to take this. Okay. Now that that's done and over with, you're going to take this and you're going to really dry off that oil on that pure white washcloth, you know, that you just stole. So now I literally just had it. Okay, so it's right here. So now you're gonna take a dry one and you're just gonna, oh shit, hang on, there's oil on the bottom of it too. Okay, so now you're gonna take the dry one and you're gonna put it on something just so you can steady your hand, and you're going to hold it to where it's fluffed up. It'll fit in the barrel, it'll dry up everything. So now you hold it like this, which what you should do is you should hold this down so the oil goes down and just puts a little circle on this mat, but I ended up forgetting. So what we're gonna do is just press that all the way down, pull it back out. You see the black shit coming off, that oil's eating that away. So now you just want to twist, you can twist it, you know, do all this other, you know, 360 no scope bullshit, and that is a clean barrel. There's nothing wrong with it. See, nothing. So now you take this, throw that, get rid of this again, and just throw it in your toolbox area. And actually I gotta take this apart. So let's this is one of the not so glamorous parts of, you know, keeping up with your shit, is there's so many pieces. I've bought so many kits where I have so many parts thrown about, it's not even funny. Hell, it's everywhere. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna put a little bit of, let's see, here's what you'd use. I would use this, I would use Hops 9, the gun oil, and I would pop the tab up and just put a little bit on here, on this ramp. Just a little bit, not a ton, because if you put some in the barrel, it might fuck it up. I don't like to overdo it on the ramp, because that access will go in there, and you know, if you shoot, you get a fucking fireball. So what else? Oh, the spring. So now we're gonna go to the spring and all this other fun shit. So shit, I'm trying to think. Oh, synthetic gun oil, cleans, lubricates, all that fun shit. A little bit. Now you're just gonna make sure to rub that all over the other side, you know, and that should be good. Now here is the rodeo part. Okay, so you're gonna put a little bit on this rail. And I know you probably can't see it, but I'm putting oil on it. But the reason I'm now starting this is just some shit's gone on in my life so far this week that's been fucking atrocious. And I want to get my mind off of that and do content. So that's that. Okay, so now we're good. We're going to just really, I'm going to try and spread that a little bit. You just want to lightly skirt the rail. You don't want to dab up everything, but just, you don't want too much to where you're shooting and oil's coming out like, you know, like a fucking geyser. So we're looking at the side. The side's got a little bit of spillage. So what you're gonna do, take a clean patch and you're just gonna wipe down the sides. This slide is metal, so having the oil come out like shiny metal is a pain in the ass. You don't want that. So now you're also going to make sure to get the inside of the gun barrel where it stays. That's good. Now here's the fun part. We've got to reassemble it. So you're going to take this. You're going to have 9 mil right there on the top. You're going to put it where that hole is. I would say probably barrel in first. So barrel in. So that's done. So now what you want to do now is you want to get this part right here with the yellow tip goes in the front of the gun. It's no debate, just it goes. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna really just press really fucking hard. Ah, damn it. Do this. Oh, I know it was. I was fucking with it. That's why I'm a dodo. So now we'll see where it went. So now you're gonna press it. Yeah, push and press. There you go. All good as new. You're gonna wipe the sides of this shit down because I put a decent amount on there. So now you're going to go ahead. You're going to take this. Now it is back to its original form. You're gonna push it down just a little bit, just to make sure you get it to where it needs to go. These rails right here are a bitch to deal with, but you gotta deal with them. So there we go. So now I'm having to flip my shit all the way. Oh wait, I know what I did. So now what you'll need to do is you'll have to pop this back up. Just like that. You are an absolute bitch to deal with. I think that's almost right. Oh wait, I know what it is. So now, flip that back up. You're golden. That's it. Function check. So now, I don't have any snap caps,